Hi, Kevin from Realstone, and we're trying to lay out our new Smoky Birch Limestone dimensional product to mimic our marketing materials. Now there's 100 ways you can lay this stuff out, but we think we got it. If you like what you see in our catalog and website, start with the panel to the left. Now remember, always dry lay out your stones first for the desired look that you're going for. And then you can do that on the floor. We're starting with all the stones, the big large accent panels in the top left corner. This panel has 2 large pieces in it, and every piece is designed the same. A large accent piece. It can be in the bottom right or the top left. Now we're going to take this piece and we're going to offset it slightly. So we've got a slight offset here. And we've got, oh, I didn't flip it. Now I've got this in the bottom right-hand corner, and I'm going to offset it from that panel because I don't want lines in this one. The end result's up to you guys. The next one slides right into place. Take a look. We've got a slight variation. We could even move it over a little bit. Now we're going to go top right again, and we are actually going to line this one up. Top right accent piece. Bottom left, new row. Just another way to lay it out. We think that one mimics our website. Take a look. Let us know what you think.